National and international people, once again a very good morning to all of you. Now, after you all have taken resolution, we are going to discuss some very important aims and objectives of organization for which it was formed. Now, as we know that we are working under the banner of World Scientific and Spiritual Foundation, in Hindi विश्व वैज्ञानिक एवं आध्यात्मिक प्रतिष्ठान. We have to be very much familiar with the aims and objectives in which, in the subject, in the fields and in the stream, in all of the fields in which organization is operating, and organization is working from its level base to reform the health standards and the social standards and the national standards of the common people. So in that way, in the same series that we have to know about the aims and objectives, here I am with all the objectives of organization. Being a president of World Scientific and Spiritual Foundation, I, Prabhakar Tiwari, it's very important to tell you all that what all are the objective, and with all the objectives, with what all objectives we started our journey. Objectives was that to propagate practice of yoga, naturopathy, astrology, Ayurveda and production of Ayurvedic medicinal plant. To promote spiritual sciences as one of the essential discipline of science in favor of society. To make the people aware of all the positive aspects of allopathic and medical sciences. To help the poor, differently abled person and those suffering from some chronic disease or illness by making arrangement for their food, clothing, shelter, education and rehabilitation with the help of local government of the area they reside in. To conduct training workshop for skill development of the people who are unemployed so as to enable them to serve the society as well as their oneself. To spread awareness about all the facets of social environmental issues such as child labor, dowry, untouchability, women empowerment and environmental degradation and pollution, and helping the victims in every possible manner. After that, to promote the writings and messages of Veda, Upaveda, Vedanga, Upanishad, Mimamsa, Samhitas and Indian ancient scriptures worldwide for the welfare of the people. To conduct research and study on various disciplines of foreign sciences and develop an idea on it which could promote country and social welfare. To organize health checkup, religious, social, cultural, legal advisory camps as an advent of social welfare. To work for rural development, industrial development, understanding the nonsense of animals and other living beings forming a part of biodiversity. After that, other objective on which we are working, to create awareness about disaster management and work in the field of spiritual development, promotion of regional and national languages, humanity, modern science, medical sciences, education, art and craft, painting, sewing, knitting and conducting training program for hardware, software, typing and related computer knowledge. Skill development. To support the community of scientists, students, philosophers, social workers and leaders for their research and study by providing financial assistance. To preserve and protect ancient knowledge and biodiversity and continuously working for their upgradation to suit the needs of modern times. To open up a branch of this organization, institution, schools, university, study center and research center throughout the country to fulfill the mentioned objectives with the help of government of that concerned place and other organizations making donations. To organize seminar, conferences, symposium, workshop, camps, events throughout the country and abroad to promote the work and objective of the society. To publish research papers or abstracts, project works of the society in various journals or publishing journal of its own. To reward scientists, teachers, social workers and other people working for social welfare of the country by distribution of prizes for their contribution in this field or felicitating them with ranks. To reward all of the above social worker which we discussed right now. Now after that, to make consistent effort for promotion of world global peace in every possible way. We are running health awareness and yoga training campaign because the standard of health could be better. All the peoples, all the communities, all the social structure and all the students, in fact all the constituents of society, state, country, national as well and international, they all could be happy and healthy, thereby leading towards a global peace, Vishwa Shanti, world peace. we are working on that. So these all are the objectives, aims of organization. In this all field we are working with a great and spontaneity, and from our best, from our level best, we are trying to reform as much as possible. This is all about the aims and objective. Thank you.